Hello, I'm David Musser. I am an author. I'm a published author now, so that's been very exciting. I appreciate everyone who's purchased any of my books. For me, one of the struggles I have is with dyslexia. So there's certain things that I've found in this editing process that are just more difficult for me. As part of that, I tried to find different editors to do stuff. Before I continue, I'm not trying to sell you anything. This is just something I wrote for me. I'm curious if anybody's done something similar. So with the help of ChatGPT, I wrote my own little writing desk, right? If I could have a typewriter that was electronic, maybe I would be using that. One of the things I like about it is I can select someplace and it'll read the text out to me.
When writing, I found that music helps me focus. I hope you are enjoying my playlists.
I can change the speed and things like that. It's something that when I hear the content, it makes it a little bit better for me to catch things, especially tense issues. It has everything here is done using Markdown. I can create new chapter headings easily enough. If I mess something up, and say, oh, I don't want this to be a chapter, I can simply go back in time with hitting the time shift. Awaken the voice plays the audio. I can reveal things in the content itself that are either thoughts or dialogue. One of the next features I'm going to be adding is something just simply to underline all of the tense words so that I can see and hear the differences there and be like, oh, yes, you're exactly right. A lot of the editors that are out there, they'll let you know that, oh, you've changed tense. But what they don't account for is the fact that in the dialogue, I want it to be past tense. In the what's going on, maybe that's present or future tense, who knows, right? But I want to be able to control that, and all of those tools, say, oh, you need to fix this because you're writing past tense in something else. And that's simply not the case. I can purge this so that it starts a new one. I can go to the crypt to open up an existing file. Everything's saved in Markdown, as I mentioned before. I can save this just to get a local copy so that if the browser crashes, this is running inside of a browser. I just have it doing the app thing that Chrome and Edge do. So I revealed the headings, or I revealed the dialogue. I can reveal thoughts as well, or I can get rid of those. I have the index, right? So I can I want to go back all the way up to the title. Right, so that way it allows me to jump into the document where I want to go. The last thing I added was the information on it, right? Because I want to know how many words I've got so far. This has the title and all of that. The other thing that I've done, in addition to being able to select anywhere in the document and have it start reading to me, I can take and download one of the files or upload one of the files and have it read that out to me as well. So if I just pick a little short one that I've done here and say transform this, it's going to transform that. I can open it up.
Pity the dead part for the Keeping the Lights series by David
So as I said, I can change the speed on that. I have it a little bit faster because it's something that I can listen to while I'm working and just catch those little mistakes that we all miss. And the thing that I didn't like about some of the editors out there and some of the word processors is while they'll read you the text, it's more of a robotic voice. So I've got this using some Docker images that are for natural language processors and also for text-to-speech engines. I can distort it if I want, right? So I may use this for some of the advertisements or something in the future where I can just simply select text, say distort, and it'll read it out here.
To the editor, please realize that I have issues with tense. Part of it is dyslexia and part is because of being a lazy.
Change all of that. So anyway, I just wanted to show this to everyone and see if anyone else has tried to find creative ways to either overcome dyslexia or to overcome the fact that a lot of the IDEs and things like that are in the way, right? When I'm focused now on this is all I'm focused on. Yes, I could get rid of the background, but I just think that's cool. So sorry. Hope everybody has a wonderful writing evening. Thank you.